In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer an Amazon gift card balance to your bank account. This is a common question, and while it may seem simple, there are a few important things you need to understand. I'll walk you through it clearly and show you the best alternatives you can use. Let's start with the most important point. On Amazon, there is currently no direct way to transfer your gift card balance to a bank account. Once a gift card is added to your Amazon balance, it's meant to be used within the Amazon ecosystem. So first, if you have a gift card, you'll need to redeem it. To do that, go to your Amazon account and navigate to the gift cards section. From there, click on Redeem a gift card and enter your code. Once applied, the balance will be added to your account. Now, since you cannot withdraw this balance directly, let's look at practical alternatives. The most straightforward option is to use your balance to purchase products on Amazon. This is the intended use and the easiest way to utilize your funds. Another option some users consider is purchasing items that can be resold, such as electronics or giftable products. This way, you can convert your balance into cash indirectly. However, this requires time and effort, and it may not always be efficient. You can also use your balance for digital services like subscriptions, apps, or ebooks, depending on your needs. It's important to be careful with any third-party services or websites that claim they can convert your Amazon balance into cash. Many of these are unreliable or unsafe, so it's best to avoid them. If your goal is flexibility, a good tip for the future is to choose payment methods that allow withdrawals, rather than relying heavily on gift card balances. Overall, while transferring directly to a bank account isn't possible, there are still useful ways to make the most of your Amazon balance. And that's it. You now understand how Amazon gift card balances work and the best ways to use them. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more tutorials. Thanks for watching.